changed our business tremendously. Only ones making this clean of a product, and couldn't do it without your machine.
It's 10 years anniversary for Metra this year. So this is yours. Hi, my dear friends, long time no see, and we are in Colorado again. It's the second time I'm here at this facility with Tobias, and he is actually getting a second color sorter. The first one successfully served him for past 10 months and gave him that room for extension, where now he's looking for the bigger solution. He keeping his older one chute and adding a 2-chute color sorter as well, just to improve his speed. The company is growing, and one day we hope he's gonna get the 10-chute one. Let's take a look. We're doing installation right now as we speak. This is a 2-chute color sorter. It's 6AS136. We're cleaning right now. We're testing, installing, and cleaning here hem parts. This is a belt version, specifically good for products like oily products, you know, like this one, like hem parts. It's also good for tea, for nuts, all kind of specialty products, like non-grain product, what you can use for color sorter. You see, belt allows them to spread out, so the machine can detect the colors better. And also the product is a bit sticky, oily, so it needs some time to pull apart from each other. So we overcome that stickiness. It's been not so long of a time. We've been here just 10 months ago installing the first unit, the 1-chute color sorter, and over this past 10 months, your company grows. So now you are needing a bigger unit, and actually you're keeping both. So what is the strategy behind it? Why you want to keep both? Why you don't just upgrade for the bigger one?
I like to have 2 machines running. I just like to have 2, a good solid one and a backup if needed. And then hopefully next year we'll have a 3rd one, so.
Okay, well, definitely we wish you to keep on growing, and we love to be a part of it. We're enjoying it so much. It's bringing hope and meaning to our everyday job, that seeing that, hey, customer growing as we grow together. If you can just give us an idea, like why Metra, why us?
You know, I just found you guys just by searching, and I wasn't sure, you know, but with you guys it was different because the customer service was there from the get-go, from the very first call, and all the way throughout the first year. Obviously, you know, I text, I call, like I get responses right away. If there's something I don't know, you guys respond right away, and that's huge. I think for anyone that's making that investment, it's huge to know that there's someone there supporting you with it, and you guys have done that. Not found any other company for any machine I've ever purchased that have offered the same service you guys have. So that's why it's like, I wouldn't even search for another cleaner. Honestly, I wouldn't even search for a different one. If I need another cleaner, I know I'll come to you guys. I know you guys are getting me a good product. If there was ever an issue, I have faith that you guys would take care of it. If there's ever anything, you guys are so quick to respond. Like, to me, it's a no-brainer.
Wow, we appreciate that. Oh, that's a honey to my heart. Thank you so much. And as far as your orders, like, were you able to fulfill better? Like, how's your life changed with these 10 months?
Well, we struggled to make the product that we wanted for years, a couple of years, you know, bouncing around between machine, and now just having that steady flow of just the consistency of the nice, clean product that we can make now. We've seen our orders, I mean, go way up. The customers appreciating it. They're telling their friends about the clean product we're making. I mean, it's changed our business tremendously. I mean, tremendously. Like, we're the only ones making this clean of a product, and couldn't do it without your machine. 100%.
So from our part, first of all, we appreciate you a lot. We want to thank you for choosing us. We will put everything, you know, to make sure we keep on that customer service you're expecting from us. We'll try to keep the same or improve even better. And we wish you continue growing. And hopefully next installation we get you a big 10 shirts color sorter. How about that? Yeah, we appreciate you a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are always happy to see and be a part of such a successful stories where the company is growing and customers growing with us and improving equipment. And also we are happy when upgrades going up. That's always bring us a hope, and that we still need it, and tomorrow we still can be here for you and serve you. Tobias? No, we're good. We just want to take a moment. It's 10 years anniversary for Metro this year. So we are getting out gifts to our customers. So this is yours. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so it's a little cool tool. So you kind of go to work, but reality you go to party.
That is so cool.
So you can place whatever you prefer here. Here's some nice shots for you with our name and your name on it.
Wow.
So here you can put some Coke.
Yeah,
With
that is so cool.
Yeah, it's coming all the way from Ireland. We special ordered for each customer.
Wow.
So
Wow, our name's there too.
yes. So there's no way you can lose it. Enjoy, hopefully, some cold Denver winter.
Yeah.
When you decide to heat up a little bit,
Thank you so
you'll
much.
remember us. Yep.
That is so awesome. That's so cool.
Yep. Thank you so much for your trust.
Yeah, of course. Great product.
We appreciate you. Thank you.